Hi, welcome to Wisdom Jobs. Myself is Janardhan. I'm Aptitude trainer dear students and friends. Today I'm going to the topic of ratio and proportion. Before start the session, please subscribe our Wisdom channel. It's very useful for all the competitive exam point students who prepare for serious for exam point of view. Find the fourth proportion of 0.012, 0.014 and 0.036. You can directly formula that equal to B into C by A for the fourth proportion. Those values given the values plug in the formula, getting the answer dashboards. That equal to dashboards 0.014 into 0.036 by 0.012. Dear students, what did it say here? When you take the question exam point of view, simply the values are there. Just counting the top. The top is the how many places are there of decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are there. The bottom are there 1, 2, 3 dear students. Just leave it that one. You directly cancel out the just minute there is ignore the decimal values here when you want to cancel the number dear students. 12 ones are 12 threes are 3 14s are 42 3 14s are 42 dear students. Initially, when you counting the decimal values are there of decimal here 1, 2, 3 places are there 1, 2, 3, 6 are there. The bottom is 3. The 6 minus 3, 3 dear students. Put the decimal of result value before 3 places. Actually, you have the 2 digits are there by result value. Put the one more place from right to left. That equals to dear students 0.042. There is an option that is the dear students. None of the answer value there. That is the none of the dear students. Now I want to move the next one. See dear students. Find the third proportion of 45 and 90. We know very well about the formula of third proportion. The third proportion of dear students, the formula is of any AB that equal to formula B square by A. The formula is the B square by A dear students. Let us assume the B is the second number, the first is the A number. Otherwise, the second number square by the first number, that is the third proportion of any two numerical values given. Here, which values are given? 45 and 90 dear students. The third proportion of ABC formula dear AB formula that equal to dear students. The third proportion is the B square by A, that is the formula dear students. Just substitute those values in the formula, you are getting the result value. See dear students, that equal to dear students, what did it say here? 90 into 90 by 45, 45 ones are 45 twos are 290s, that equals to 180 dear students, that equals to 180. Then answer dear students, none of this. I think everyone can find the big support. These values are depending on the solution, depending on the formula based dear students. Just to plug in the values in the formula, getting the answer value. Shall I move the next question? See this one. Find the third proportion of 0.036 and 0.072. This is the decimal values. No? What is the formula here? B square by A. Dear students, here the formula is B square by A dear students. Substitute the same value, that equal to dear students B square by A, that is the formula. Substitute the values in the formula, you are getting the answer value. That equal to 0.072 into 0.072 by 0.036 dear students. There is 36, simply taken the 36 1 36 2, this is the value. 2 into 70 dear students, that equals to dear students 144. Now put the decimals. The upper value after decimal here, how many places are there? 1, 2, 3. Totally 6 are there. The bottom is the 3. The 6 difference of 3 is the 3. You put the decimal before the 3 places. That equals to 1, 2, 3. That equal to dear students 0.0144. There is no option. That equal to dear students none of this. Thank you. If you like my session, press like, share to your friends and comment. If any inquiries, please comment in the comment box. Thank you.